In this video, we are going to show you how to clean the sensors in your Canon Business Inkjet WG7000 series. On your Operations panel, select Menu on the home screen, then select Adjustment Maintenance and Maintenance. Choose Sensor Cleaning. Read the following instructions closely, and when you are ready, select Next. Your machine will ask your permission to unlock the transport cover. Select Unlock. Open the transport unit covers like this, and then open the transport guide. Remove the cleaning brush from this handy niche. Wipe all 6 of the sensors down using the cleaning brush. Be careful to avoid the star wheels and just brush the sensors. This is what each one looks like. When you are finished, remember to put your cleaning brush back for next time. Close the transport guide and the covers. Congratulations, you have successfully and safely cleaned the sensors in your WG7000 series.